focusing on the things that you don't want, has it ever brought about the things that you do want? Take the time to really think about that. Because what you're focusing on grows. It becomes a permanent thing. And so if you're ever going to get off of that hamster wheel of what it is that you don't want, it's going to require you to shift your perspective. You can begin doing this by on a daily basis focusing on positive affirmations. There's a law of replacement or a law of love. And that is whatever it is that you don't want, do your best to focus on the opposite. Yeah, it may have seemed a bit delusional at first, but when you put this into practice on a daily basis, you're going to begin to see a lot of changes, a lot of shifts in your life. Alright, and you don't have to take my word for it, I'm just a messenger. But it's something that has definitely been working for me. So for instance, if you are, hold on y'all, let me prepare my little lunch. What you'll begin to realize and see in your life is those changes being implemented in the things that you do. Instead of you focusing on things that do not currently because the things that you're dealing with right now are things that more than likely you have manifested previously. So you may have had certain experiences, or you may have had certain thought processes around certain things. If you focus on those things, then they actually show up in your life. Okay, so in order to shift your mindset, in order to shift your subconscious mind, it requires you to put forth the effort and retrain your subconscious mind. And especially there's things that come into our mind based on the things that we're watching, the things we're listening to. It could also be because of things that people have told us. And so it's not our responsibility that you may have picked up negative dialogue, but it is your responsibility to shift it. Alright, so learn to think in positive affirmations, because with this, your life is going to change, not just for the better, but for the best. All is well in my world. I love and accept myself where I am right now. I am wonderfully blessed. I am free to speak for myself. I express myself through the direction of the Most High. Joy, love, peace is a natural part of who I am. I allow myself to embody my full potential. I accept positive aspects of my life unfolding before my eyes. Blessings and favor precede me everywhere I am and everywhere I go. I seek only good everywhere. I am fulfilled. I am relaxed. I am healthy in mind, body, and soul. My health is a priority. I release the old and welcome the new. I move into my greater good each and every day. I stand in truth. I move forward with joy. I have spiritual discernment and intuition. I am grateful for spiritual protection. I am at peace. I am safe within my world. I release all anger, resentments, and hostility. Whatever I need will always be there for me. I accept my good without guilt. I am peaceful for even the littlest things. I listen to God. I hear the joys of life and I receive them. I follow through. I welcome the new.